What's up, guys? Happy New Year. First off, before we get into this video, which I want to talk to you about today, I wanted to first toast to you. Happy New Year. 2024 is going to be an awesome year, and I'm cheering you guys to many profits in 2025. That is the goal. So just want to say cheers. Happy New Year. Thank you so much for being here. It's 2 years for me on YouTube, and I can't be happier. Now let's get into Say, which, by the way, is 72 cents. I'm up at 3x on Say. And listen, if you check my previous videos on Say, they don't get that many views. Want to know why? Because people either don't know about it, don't want to know about it, think it's bad, or think it's a scam. Whatever the case may be. I've said in previous videos, right? How do you find 100x cryptos? Or how do you find cryptos at bottom prices? You buy them or research them while the majority of people don't know about it, or staying away, or are fearful, or are greedy. Say is a crypto that just got on Coinbase. It's a crypto that also just got launched like 6 months ago, if that. It's a brand new crypto. I know it's not perfect though. Tokenomics are bad. Allocations are pretty bad. 50% to VCs, private investors. But what does it do? It's a layer one. It scales DEXs. It's very fast. They market themselves as being a faster blockchain than Solana. They got strong connections. A lot of money was raised for venture capitalists. They're going to pump this crypto. They are already pumping this crypto. I mean, look at the week chart. The week, it's up 76%, almost a 2x. The month chart, which I posted on Twitter, is up almost 200%. And what's the month low? 22 cents. I bought it at 22 cents, 25 cents, 27 cents, I think 20 cents as well. Somewhere around there. I've been buying this crypto. I was buying it aggressively 4 times in 3 days. It pumped too fast for me. I'm hoping it comes down. I'm hoping, people sell this thing, because I knew it was going to rocket ship. This is why I tell you guys, when you research cryptos, yes, fundamentals are important. Yes, the docs team's important. Yes, the niche, narrative, competition, all that matters, right? But who's behind it? Do they stand out in a way? And do they have good marketing? The reason I ask that is because when you have a crypto who has a lot of big players with a lot of money who want to see it go like this, they're going to inflate this like you haven't seen before. That's why you see it up a 3x from a month ago. It's going to fly. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I would not be surprised if Say hits $10 this cycle, which is still over a 10x from here. Say could very well be the next Solana. I know you guys see that all the time. You see, the next Bitcoin, the next Ethereum, the next Solana, the next Cardano, Avalanche, whatever. But I'm not joking. There's a lot of money behind this. The two founders have strong connections themselves. Jay Jog, I think his name is. He's a software engineer, a former software engineer for Robinhood, a very popular, reputable exchange, aside from that whole GameStop fiasco. If you were there, let me know. But a very popular exchange. They're known in the crypto world, despite being a stocks exchange first, even though they have crypto on there. And then the other founder, Jeff Feng, I believe, he's from a very well-known investment banking firm, Goldman Sachs. I mean, everyone knows Goldman Sachs. So it really matters who's behind and who's connected and who wants to see your crypto succeed. People said it before, right? They said Algorand's went to the Democratic Party and it's going to help push it up. And Algorand's also having recovery. Whole nother topic for another video. But connections do matter. Like I always say, it's not what you know sometimes, it's who you know. Say is the who you know crypto. They got on Coinbase within the first 6 months. And a common mistake that I see is the comments of, well, it's on Coinbase, so how's it going to pump? And I'm like, well, that's the whole freaking point. Cardano got on Coinbase in March 2021. It didn't pump then. It pumped in September of that year. Say got listed, a couple months ago? And now you're seeing it rise up? It's following the same path as Cardano. A lot of people confuse exchange listings of meme coins and say that those effects have to be on every single crypto. Sure, you see that, but the majority of these cryptos pump on tier ones like Coinbase when the actual rips take place. Sometimes you'll see a crypto get listed on a Binance Coinbase, a utility play, and maybe it runs up a little bit, but those real rips that you're hearing about, they take place when you see the real rips in Bitcoin and the altcoin season. What you want to see is these cryptos get listed, and then it gives investors like you and me or other people who maybe only use Coinbase or Binance, whatever, it gives them the opportunity to now research it or at least invest into it. Which does what? Sends it like this, right? So this is why I tell you guys, the ones that are so scared of the tokenomics here, the allocation, they're already missing a 3x. I'm probably never going to see my average again per se. I hope I do. I want to buy some more cheaper, but I'm willing to say I probably won't see it again. I've been way into DCA. I was going to buy some more before it pumped up. But this is how utility plays do it. We saw with LCX. We saw with ArtBlock. We saw it with BlueZell. We saw it with Caspa. Utility plays can be trading sideways for months at a time, sometimes even a year. And then out of nowhere, within hours, they shoot up. It happens a lot. And this is why I tell you guys, when you see sideways action, let the majority of people say, oh, this is born. I want to be in a roller coaster crypto. Let them do that. And then you just hope for the best. You pray to the crypto gods that crypto stays down and you buy some more when it trades sideways. Trading sideways or consolidation to me is accumulation. That is the accumulation, because usually when a crypto trades sideways and the volume's very high, that's where I see a big moves coming, either an exchange listing or someone knows something, insiders, or in this case, VCs, private investors. Remember, they have a lot of money. The VCs, private investors, the team, they're definitely all millionaires. So what does money bring? Knowledge and information. What sends crypto soaring? Information, something happening, a pending catalyst. Now, I see their volume is 840 million, which is very significant. Almost a billion trading volume for a new crypto that only has a hold time on Coinbase for 5 days on average. That's pretty significant. Some are going to say, oh, it's fake volume, whatever. Who cares? Like, everyone's concerned about these non-issues while the cryptos just keep pumping. I saw with LCX, right? Oh, the exchange is illiquid. It's doing bad. That was when it was below 3 cents or 4 cents. Now look at LCX, 11 cents. Oh, BlueZell, the all-time high. It's an old crypto. The chart looks bad. 35 cents. It's up a 7x from when I was buying it. ArtBlock, old crypto. It's in Web3, but it does nothing, which is totally not the case. ArtBlock is so bullish. 20 cents. Like, this is why I tell you guys, who cares what your peers think? Research your cryptos yourself. If you're bullish, you're bullish. Have rock solid conviction and confidence. Actually know what you're holding. Like I said in examples, right? You have a car. Do you like it? Yes. If your neighbor says it's bad, are you going to freaking say, great, I'm going to sell my car and buy whatever he says is good? No, you wouldn't do that, right? Would you leave your job if your freaking ex-girlfriend said, hey, your job sucks and so do you? No. So, I mean, your investments are the same thing. It's your money. So whose opinion matters most? Yours. Your opinion matters. Yeah, I'm probably a little amped up on coffee, but I'm very passionate about this stuff because I'm telling you guys, I am treading the water like you. I work a job just like you. I get different opinions just like you. I get hate just like you. When I see somebody laughing at a crypto I'm buying or holding, what do you think I do? I laugh it off and I go buy some more. That's always been my mindset. You can't be a successful sheep investor in this market. I'm telling you guys from experience. You're talking to somebody that has been around last cycle. The behaviors I'm seeing now, the activity I'm seeing now, I've seen this last bull cycle. But the biggest thing I'm seeing this cycle that I didn't see last cycle is adoption, institutional adoption, ETFs, which is why I've been aggressively DCAing. I've been buying Casper recently. If you want to see my bio alerts, I have my 3-tier membership. I'm going to probably add maybe 1 or 2 more tiers because I really want to help you guys. I want to add 2 more tiers possibly. Stay tuned for that. I'll probably announce it on YouTube or in a live stream, which I'll be doing hopefully tomorrow or Wednesday. We'll see. But yeah, this is a time to really accumulate crypto because we're seeing so much potential adoption take place that I really think this is going to be a huge bull run. And remember, regulation is still not here. It's in the talks. So we're still going to see even meme coins rip it like crazy. So Say is really no exception. But let's say be a reminder that utility coins take time. They do, which is why what? Patience pays off in this market. If you were just holding this crypto for a friggin' month, 30 days, while everybody was hating your crypto, saying it's centralized VC garbage, you'll be up in profit right now. This is why I tell you guys, and this is why I teach my members in my Discord, be your own investor. Do not just say, oh, John's bullish, John's bearish, this one's bullish, I'm going to do what they do and be a mirror investor. That is how you become dependent and ultimately get wrecked. Or panic. I'm a very calm, stress-free person. I do my own thing. I have my own way of investing. This is how you got to be as an investor. I'm always thankful when I see you guys thank me for certain picks. I'm seeing it right now with Say, LCX. But what makes me happy is seeing you guys develop confidence, enjoying the journey. That's what this is. This is an investing journey. It takes time. A journey is bumpy, sure, but you're not always running to the 100x. Sometimes you're buying these cryptos at bare bottoms and then you just enjoy the fruits of holding. A lot of buy and hold investing is holding. I mean, sure, you got to make moves while everybody else is just staying away, but a lot of this is a waiting game, which means holding. Holding is 50% of buy and holding. If you're trying to trade crypto and flip it and, be a roller coaster adrenaline junkie, by all means, you do you. I trade here and there, sure, but I'm not a focused trader. Say to me, is going to rocket ship even further. I would not be surprised if this thing hits $1 before the Bitcoin halving. All I'm saying to you is not to chase the pump. Just do some research and add it to your watch list and see what you think for yourself. And by the way, like I said earlier, if you want to reach out to me, talk to me. If you're a crypto I'm buying, selling, trading, DCAing into, if you want to be a part of live streams, which I'm starting this week, be able to talk to me, get coaching, or just be part of a support group. You're not trying to figure this all out yourself, be a lone wolf, be surrounded by like-minded investors who also, by the way, want to make a ton of money. If you want this and more, then feel free to join the Patreon and Discord. I have 3 tiers. I'll post a link in the comments down below. But anyways, now I want to hear from you. How do you feel about Say, and where do you see its price by the end of 2025? Drop your comment down below and let me know. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. Really helps so much. That being said, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.